Kitchen remodel. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, kitchen remodel. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about this phrase, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some interesting facts about it. Kitchen remodel refers to the process of making changes or improvements to a kitchen. This can include updating appliances, changing the layout, or installing new countertops or cabinets. It's not just about making a kitchen look better, it often involves improving functionality and efficiency too. The kitchen is often considered the heart of a home. It's where meals are prepared and families gather. So, a kitchen remodel can significantly impact a family's daily life. In many cultures, the kitchen is a central space, making its design and functionality crucial. A typical kitchen remodel might include upgrading appliances like refrigerators or stoves for more efficient models, improving storage with new cabinets or shelving, enhancing aesthetics with new countertops, backsplashes, or flooring, changing the layout to improve workflow or create more space. When discussing a kitchen remodel, you might hear phrases like renovation, which is a broader term for updating or improving a part of a home. DIY, do-it-yourself, indicating the homeowners are doing the remodeling themselves instead of hiring professionals. Contractor, a professional who oversees and executes the remodeling work. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the phrase, kitchen remodel. Whether you're planning to remodel your kitchen or just learning new English phrases, remember that this phrase is about much more than just construction. It's about creating a space that brings comfort and joy to a home. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.